go to the problem about the quadratic equation. When a trolley slides down a runway, its distance traveled as in meter, a time t in seconds is given by formula s equal 10t plus 2t squared. Once again, s equal 10t plus 2t squared. Find the time that the distance traveled is 48 meters. Okay, listen, students. We're going to solve this question. Okay, yeah. Here is s equal 10t plus 2t squared, right? Okay, the travel is 48, this one. 48. So you have to insert here 48 equal 10t plus 2t squared. Okay, you can reverse the position, means 2t squared plus 10t, right, equal 48. Clear, everyone? Next, and then we have to move 48 to the left side, so we have to make sure the equation must be 0. Okay, modify the equation equals 0. Okay, so we get 2t squared plus 10t, right, minus 48 equals 0. Clear, everyone? Right? Okay. And then to simplify this equation, you can divide it by 2. Okay. So you get t squared plus 5t minus 24 equals 0, right? Clear? And then how to solve this quadratic equation? Okay, there are several methods to solve quadratic equation. The first is factorization. Okay, factorize. The second is formula ABC, right? Formula ABC. Number 3 is completing square. Okay. And number 4 is drawing graph. Right? Okay, now I think the easiest one is factorize, right? Very easy, factorize, is it? So you can factorize this one. Equals 0. Okay, look at the constant. When c is negative, once again, when c negative means different sign. Here, when c negative means different sign, is it? Okay. Okay, different sign means positive negative or negative positive. You can write here, how many here? Put here, I think you have to put here negative positive, right? You have to put here negative. Right? Here is negative, this one is positive, right? And then t squared. T squared is t times t, correct? Is it correct, everyone? T and t. So what about the factor of 24, but the result is positive 5? What do you think of that? Huh? I think here, 8 and 3, right? Can you check it? Check. Okay. How to prove that? This one. T times 8, 8t, minus 3 times t, minus 3t. So you get 5t, correct? You have to prove it. You have to prove the factorization. Okay, you have to prove the factorization. T times 8, 8t. And then minus 3 times t, minus 3t. And then you'll find 5t, right? So this one correct. This 5t. There, everyone? So your factorization correct. Okay, your factorization correct. So t minus 3, open the bracket, t plus 8, okay, equals 0. And then you have to separate it to two parts. The first is t minus 3 minus 3 equals 0, right? And the rest is t plus a equals 0, right? So automatically you will find here how many? Okay, so we get t equal 3 seconds and we get t equal minus 8. Okay, but t minus 8 is not accepted. Okay, reject. This one is reject. Why reject? Because there's no time negative. Okay, so you have to find the positive one. So the answer is t equal 3 seconds. The question is find the time, right? That the distance traveled is 48 meters, so the answer is 3 seconds. Clear, everyone? Okay. Okay, solve the following equation using the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. You know the formula? Everyone, the formula is like this. Formula ABC. Formula ABC of quadratic equation. This is the formula. Okay, students. X1, 2 equal minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, this is the formula, everyone. Okay, you have to prepare a calculator. Okay, next we go to a. Okay, a x plus 7 open the 7x open the bracket 1 minus x equal 3x minus 26, right? You have to solve this one first. Open the bracket, so x plus 7x, right? And then here again minus 7x squared, right? Equal 3x minus 26. Okay, as I mentioned before, you have to group all the variables and constant to the left side, and then you have to modify the equation to be equal 0. Okay, so you have to move all parts on the right side to the left side. So x plus 7x minus 7x, right? And then here, move. 6 minus 3x plus 26 right? Okay, you have to rearrange in order, but you have to simplify first. And then here the first minus 7x squared, right? Because minus 7x is the only one square, right? And then here 1, 2, 3 items. X plus 7 minus 3, so you find 5x. Okay? And then the rest is plus 26 equals 0. Okay? Okay, so from this equation we'll find that a is minus 7, this one. Is it clear, everyone? B is 5, this one, and C is 26. Clear, everyone? You understand? Huh? Clear, right? Okay. So this one, this is A, this is B, and this one is C, right? Okay, now we go to use the formula. So all A, B, C you have to insert to the formula. So I'm right here. So x1, 2 equal minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 2ac, right? Over 2a, is it? And then x1, 2 equal okay, minus B is 5, right? This one. So 5 plus minus root of B squared. So 5 squared minus 4. How many A? A is what? Minus 7. Right? And then times C. C is 26. Divided by 2A. 2 times A. How many A? A is minus 7. Okay. So x1 comma 2 equal. Okay, so then go. So minus 5 plus minus root of everyone. You have to solve this one first. Okay? Why? Because for AC is multiplication, so the multiplication is priority, right? So here is 25, and then minus times minus, so you'll find plus, right? Right? You'll find plus. So you're going to times 4 times 7 times 26. 7 to 8. Okay? We get 7 to 8. Okay? Over minus 14. Is it clear, everyone? Here, so here, next, here. So x1 comma 2 equal minus 5 plus minus, and then root of how many? 25 plus 25 plus 7 to 8, right? 753. 753 divided by minus 14. Is it clear, everyone? So you'll find minus 5 plus minus root 753. Do you have calculator? Can you help me, please? Root of 753. How many here? Huh? Kevin, how many root of 753? 27.440, right? Okay, 440. Divided by minus 14. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, so that's the meaning of symbol plus minus, everyone. Listen. There is the symbol of plus minus. You know the meaning of plus minus? Right? Plus minus means you have to separate the answer to be two parts. Okay? You have to separate to be two parts. The first is, okay, you can separate here. x1 is, take it the positive one, minus 5 plus 27.440 over minus 14. Okay? And the other hand is x2. Take it the negative. Minus 5 minus 27.440 divided by minus 14. You understand? So that's the meaning of symbol plus minus. At the final answer, you have to separate x1, x2. x1 means the positive, and x2 means the negative. Is it clear, everyone? Clear? Okay. So x1 equal, okay, by using calculator, okay, by using calculator, you find 1.603, but negative. Is it clear, everyone? Negative, right? And x2, now we're going to find x2. Okay. We're using the calculator. 2 point, everyone, we get 2.317. Positive, right? Because negative divided negative is positive. Clear? Is it clear, everyone? That's the meaning of the formula ABC. Okay, when you use the formula ABC, means you have to insert the constant ABC to the formula like that, and for the final answer, use your calculator to finalize the answer. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, students, we go to the next question, right? The next question is x squared equal 3/4 x plus 2. Okay, clear, everyone? Okay, do you have any suggestion how to simplify this one first? Do you have any suggestion how? Everyone? How to simplify this equation? How? Do you have any suggestion? Please avoid fraction. This one 4. You have to times by 4. So make it simple. So you'll find 4x squared equal 3x plus 8. Is it, everyone? Okay. And remember, as I mentioned before, you have to modify the equation to be ax squared plus bx plus c, okay, plus c equals 0. You have to modify the equation to be 0. So 4x squared minus 3x minus 8 equals 0, right? Everyone is clear? Okay, now we get A equals 4, B is minus 3, and C is minus 8. Alright, everyone? Okay, go. So x1, 2 equal minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, right? This is the formula ABC, right? So x1, 2 equal, insert b, minus 3 plus minus root of b squared is 9, right? Minus 4 times minus 8, right? Correct, everyone? Okay, divided by 2 times 4. Is it clear? So you find 3 plus minus root of, how many here? 9 minus times minus, right?
Yeah.
Will be positive. Plus 128 divided by 8. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Is it clear? Okay, you have to solve this one first, because this one multiplication. Multiplication is priority, right, everyone? Clear? Clear? Okay, next. So we'll find x1, 2 equal 3 plus minus root of how many? 1, 3, 7. Is it?
Yeah.
Divided by 8, right? Okay, we have positive minus. Means you have to separate the equation. x1 is, take the positive 1, 3 plus root of 137 divided by 8. Is it clear? And x2 equal 3. Take the minus Root of 137 divided by 8. Is it there? Everyone, so x1 is, you can use calculator, root of 137. Use your calculator. Root 137 is 0.27 divided by 8. Okay, the answer is 0.401. Okay, and then x2. Use your calculator, everyone. 3 minus root 137 divided by 8. Okay, we found minus 1.088. That's the answer. Okay, listen, student. There is instruction correct to 3SF. You understand 3SF? 3SF, 3 significant figures.
Yeah.
So x1 is 3SF, right? But x2 is not 3SF. You have to modify. So x2 changed to 3SF minus 1.09 3SF. This one 3SF. Is it clear, everyone? Clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Okay, copy.
Udah.
Yes?
Belum.
Ini have you covered that?
Belum.
Udah, sir.
Finish
Udah.
show your face, okay? Okay, next question. Okay. Okay, go. Student, this question very easy. Okay. This question very easy. Okay. The sum of the areas of two square is 269 centimeters square. The side of one square is 3 centimeters longer than that of the other square. Find the length of a side of the smaller square. Very easy, right? So, what is the meaning of this question? You have to define in mathematical model, right? So, the area, sum of the area means area 1 plus area 2 equal to 69, right? So, this is the first area, right? A1, and this one is A2. So, the area A1 is x times x. And the area, because this is square, automatically here is x plus 3, right? So the area is x plus 3 equal to 69. Is it correct? You know the formula of area of the formula of the area square, right? The area square. The area of the square is side times side, right? Very easy, right? Okay, so go. So x times x is x squared. And here, what about this one? Yeah, you have to expand, right? X times x, x squared. X times 3, 3x. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times 3 is 9. Right? Equal to 6 is 9. And then this one, you can simplify. 2x squared plus here 6x plus, and then here move to the left, right? 9 minus 2, 6, 9 equals 0, right? Very simple, right? So 2x squared plus 6x minus 260 equals 0. Is it clear, one? Okay. You can simplify this equation by dividing the equation by 2, right? So you'll find x squared plus 3x minus 130 equals 0. Okay, as usual, you have to factorize. Okay. Can you guess the factor, please? You got this one minus, right? C is minus. When you find C minus means positive, negative, or negative, positive. So can you guess the factor of 130? Can you guess that? How many factor 130? To find sum of both is 3. Can you find the factor of 130? Please find or guess two numbers when you sum up to be positive 3, because this one is positive 3. Can you guess that? How many? Everyone? Right here. 130. I think 13 times 10. Right? Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, try to prove it. Try to prove. You have to prove, yeah? To prove it. Is your equation or your factorization correct? As usual, okay? As usual. For this one, 13x. And this one, the nearest is minus 10. Sum of both is 3x. Oh, correct! Right? Because this one the target 3x, right? So your factorization is correct. Okay, students, everyone, now we already found the factorization correct. So how? You have to separate that by 2 parts. Okay, everyone. So right here, x minus 10, open the bracket, x plus 13 equals 0, right? The first separation, x minus 10 equals 0. Now x is 10, and the rest is x plus 13 equals 0. So x is minus 13, right? Can you guess that the size is minus? There is no minus for length, right? So this one is reject, right? Rejected, okay? So x is accepted. This one is accepted. So x equals 10. So find the length of the side of the smaller square. So the smaller square is, the side is x, right? So the answer for the smaller square, the side is 10 centimeters. Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, students, we have the last question. The three sides of a right angle triangle are x plus 2 centimeter, 2x plus 3 centimeter, and 3x minus 1 centimeter. Find the value of x. Okay? So what's the formula for this one? Can you give me a method to solve this question? What's the concept for the right angle triangle? Everyone, listen here. the concept of the right angle triangle? What? What's the concept of right angle triangle? Come on, listen. What is the concept of the right angle can be applied to right angle triangle? Clear suggestion? What is, yes, correct, Pythagoras. Yeah, Pythagoras. Yeah, correct, Pythagoras. Okay, so what is the Pythagoras rule? Okay, Pythagoras rule, you know this one, right? Pythagoras. This one is C, this one is A, this one is B. So C squared equal A squared plus B squared. Right? This is Pythagoras. Everyone, we are going to use Pythagoras to solve this question. Okay, listen. So how? 3x minus 1 square, right? 1, right? Equal x plus 2 square, right, is 1, plus here 2x plus 3, right? Remember this one. Once again, I want to emphasize you, a plus b square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Clear? Next, so please open the bracket for this one. So 3x minus 1, so 9x squared minus 2 times 3 minus 1, 6x minus 1 squared, 1, right? Equal this one, x squared plus 2 times x times 2, 2 times x times 2, 4x plus 2 squared, 4, and then the last 2x squared, 4x squared, right? 2 times 2 times 3 plus 12x, right? 3 squared plus 9. Clear, everyone? Is it clear? So
yes,
next, go. So 9x squared minus 6x plus 1 equals, what is 1 here? X squared and 4x squared. It will be 5x squared, right? 4x, 12x. So it will be 16x, right? And 4 to 9, we'll find 13. Then, now you have to move all these items to the left side to make it 0. So 9x squared minus 6x plus 1 minus 5x squared minus 16x minus 13 equals 0. Correct? Is it correct? Go! Next, everyone, listen here. Focus. Okay, this one. 4x squared, right? And this one. Minus 6 minus 16 minus 22x. And the last here. Minus 12 equals 0. Right? So how come? Yeah. You can simplify this one by divide by 2, right? You'll find that 2x squared minus 11x minus 6 equals 0, right? And then try to factorize. 2x squared is 2x and x. And then c is negative, right? Negative. So positive, negative. Factor of 6 to find minus 11. How many?
2 and 3.
2 and 3. The result is 11. 2 and 3. The result is 5 and 1. 6 and 1, right? 1 and 6. Prove it. You have to prove it. 2x times minus 6 minus 12, right? Prove it. The factorization correct. Here, minus 12x, and here, plus x. So we'll find minus 11x. Oh, correct! See, correct. Alright, right? Minus 11, this one? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Very good. Now we're going to separate the answer. So 2x plus 1 equals 0. And one more, x minus 6 equals 0. So x is minus a half, and x equals 6. Okay? So is it possible for x equal minus a half? Is it possible? Yeah, prove it. Just
Yeah.
insert minus a half to x plus 2. Is it possible minus a half plus 2? Is it positive? Positive, right? Minus a half plus 2 is 1/2. I think it's accepted, right? Accepted. So minus a half is accepted. So based on the question, the value of x are minus a half and 6. Is it clear, everyone? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay.